Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Polar Pattern, Revolution, Additive Loft, Union, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch half of the middle section without the grooves and create a solid part with the help of the Revolution tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. Next, we remove material from the created part which is not included in the drawing. Sketch a circle with a radius of 2 mm on the vertical axis. We create the sketch at the origin and we position it later. Select the sketch and position it to the correct position. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option to sided. Set the length 1 to 100 mm and length 2 to 10 mm. Next, select the last pocket and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. Set the occurrences to 12. Now, we add a fillet with a radius of 3 mm to the edges. Next, we sketch the circular profile on side face, and we create a cylindrical part with the help of the Extrude tool. Select the side face and then activate the Sketch tool. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 126 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we create the 3-section profiles in a new body and we create a solid part with the help of Additive Loft tool. Insert a new body and then activate the Sketch tool and select the YZ plane. Sketch all sections at the origin and position them later. Convert these two lines to construction lines. The other dissections have for edges. That's why we split the circle in for segments to get a better solution. First, we create 1/4 of the circle and then we copy and rotate it about the center point. Move the circle 126 millimeters from the origin. Sketch the other dissections at the origin and then position them to the correct position. Now, we have all 3 sections. Next, select the first section and then activate the Additive Loft tool. Now, add the other sections one after the other. The last step is to merge the two bodies with the help of Part Workbench Union tool. Switch to Part Workbench. Select the two bodies and then activate the Union tool. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.